gotta do it formally.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on this other side.
Well, are you gonna put it on my finger?
Yes, I am. She said yes.
Well, all right. Yeah, she said yes.
Thank you guys, thank you. I love you.
You kind of got me off guard.
You didn't see this coming, did you?
Thank you. I said yes.
Thank you, thank you.
There it is.
John, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys, thank
Sorry, I
you.
was a little
Thank
shaky
you.
up here.
I've never been so happy.
Yeah!
This is a Hubbard Marina trophy
So,
catch right
were
here.
you surprised?
Very much.
So, so tell us, because people may see this, tell them your names, what your name will soon be.
My name is Christopher Chaporis.
And I'm Ashley Lunsford, soon to be Mrs. Chaporis.
Congratulations, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready to catch them up? Where y'all coming from?
From Atlanta.
Atlanta, where are you from? Atlanta? Atlanta, GA, all right, hot Atlanta. Welcome aboard. How about you, sir? You ready to catch them up?
Wondrous. Yes.
All right, folks.
Ready to get 'em?
Welcome aboard the Florida Fisherman 2 for this 39-hour.
The legend of Captain John.
Hello, how you doing? Are you all ready?
Glad to have you back, sir.
Well,
thank you.
All right. I got to interview Will. All right, what can we expect, sir?
Well, here we go. We just did a Tuesday to Thursday trip this week in similar weather conditions. We got like 3 to 5 foot seas out there this trip, and maybe a little bigger at times. But the fish were biting in the rough weather. We did decent on the mangroves and a few jacks, but had a good variety. We got tuna, cobia, African pompano, and hoping for some more of the same out there. A good variety.
There's a rumor going around that you let a big one go for me to catch later.
I did. John might get a big one this trip. I had one on last trip. Broke me off after a while.
I got a film going out.
That happened.
All right, well, we're heading out. I'm going to give you a shot. We're going under the bridge here. Heading out to the Gulf of Mexico, baby. You ready? I got some line on.
I caught you.
Thank you.
The keeper?
If you get me in, you'll win the jackpot for sure. All right, we got a pretty full boat here. Very full boat. Beautiful weather right now. It's supposed to be pretty bumpy once we get out there. Probably 5 foot most of the trip. You can see people taking advantage of a beautiful October day here at Madeira Beach on this side. It feels like it's got to be about 90, but we got a nice breeze. There's the Johns Pass Bridge. You hear it going down in the foreground. But we are now officially in the Gulf of Mexico. Captain Brian up there at the helm. Walk around this way and talk to a few people. The gentleman seemed like he's getting rigged and ready. Where are you coming from, sir?
Dunedin.
Dunedin, a Florida man. All right, you ready to catch them up?
Oh, God, yeah.
All right, let's go. I wish you nothing but the best. All right, we got some anglers on this side. Y'all ready to go get them?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir, John.
Yeah, man. We got Tippy Canoe and Tyler too, or something like that. There's a bunch of Tylers on it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. This is Bearded Tyler.
Yeah. That's what I want to refer to as.
A rat catcher Tyler. He's a critter. He's a critter getter.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Like, that's like passengers. Really?
Ready to catch them up, sir?
Yes, sir.
Where are you coming from for this trip?
Atlanta.
Atlanta, hot Atlanta. All right, man. I hope my gators beating them dogs next week. Nothing personal. ready to catch them up?
Hi.
Howdy, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Where are you coming from?
Cocoa, Florida on the Space Coast.
The Space Coast. All right, man. Is this your first time on the boat?
Second.
Second time. Well, the second time's a charm, as they say, right?
Well,
good.
first time I caught grouper back to back.
Well, let's hope you top even that.
We'll see.
That might be hard to do,
We'll see.
but you look like you could do it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
It's not generally just for the top hook, but you can tie it on the bottom hook too. It's fine. I go from the bottom up now.
We have Will giving his famous seminar, the snail hook rig.
We're starting with a 60-pound leader, 6-aught circle hook today. That catches grouper and mangoes right there, vermilion, porgies. So the top hook, guys, this is the hard part here. It gets very complicated. I take the top hook, slide it down, and position it about an inch above that bottom hook. Now hold the bottom piece of line right on the side of the hook. Top piece, same thing again. Wrap it just under the eye, 6 or 7 times. Right back near the eye and pull it tight. And that's a good fall snail rig right there for grouper and snap.
This is how he rolls here.
It's a 1-drop, 3-kill will. Sometimes I have to take advantage of the time
Hold
I
it
get.
up higher and I can get you and the fish at
Look
the
at
same
that.
time. There you
Mixed
go.
bag on the 1-drop, 3-kill will.
That well is on time. All right, we're going to walk around and see what's happening a little bit. I caught a couple mangoes and then it kind of slacked off. Anita, I think that was from trolling earlier. Well, we got a mango down here. All right, good job. Kind of tricky maneuvering when you got a full boat and about 5-foot seas out here. Probably hard to tell, but it's pretty rough. How's it going, Craig?
Got one so far. Just started.
Some mangoes here. We go. Yeah. I got a couple myself. Mango there. Got a nice one up here on the bow. Nice fish. Nice red grouper. They're picking them around the boat. Good job, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice fish. Couple of months too late. Nice fish. No, I had it on video. I got it. Yeah, it's just.
All right, guys. Martin's on a big jack here.
Don't pull under the boat.
Hey, Jay, slack him up over there. Slack him up. All right, grab that here.
All right.
Just cut this leader off. And I'll
Good
spin the
fish,
braid up.
sir. You got your money's worth out of that one.
Yeah, I lost one earlier today, so I got somebody to give that to. No. Okay.
nice fish, sir.
He was turning into an ass.
Can you let me in there? Let me get in this one. Sure. Thank you. Keep reeling, don't look at the camera. Snap. Man's got a nice fish on here in the corner. I see color.
What color?
I see color. It's fish color. Looks like a jack to me. Hopefully he's big enough.
Yep.
He's ready. Just keep whining.
Watch the bottom of the boat. What's up?
Keep whining. Oh my God. That's what I wanted.
Yes, sir. And he got it. This is just what he wanted, John.
Just what
Turn
he
around.
wanted. It's always good to get what you want. Good fish,
Hold
sir.
that tail up.
Are you gonna do a picture? Are you?
You got rest first.
Hang on, I gotta. There you have it. An anchor pull by the maestro.
Oh, it was kind of floating.
Well, the signal call.
He came right, literally right at me and hit the boat underneath. I was like, man, he's gonna spear me. Might end up back where you started.
Guys, we gotta come down here. We gotta clear out some of these rocks. Here in a second, and just come right in, I bet. Tail right? No, he's throat hooked though. He's definitely throat hooked. I saw.
Jason, could you either film this or go reel my rod? Second time.
Now you find the bear.
Might just give him a big pump and reel down.
Oh, I see him out there. We got color on him.
Hey, Will? Yeah. There's only but one. That's one here for everybody.
That is. Hey, John, and while we've got a second, this sailfish is brought to you by Chum Drop.
Chum drop.
Sailfish up. Probably not.
And I got a mine.
Good. Any size to it? Oh, well, let me look at. There's a mahi mahi. How about that? Cool.
He came like once y'all had left. Like school of them came. Did he bite?
People just won't move out the way. Slide up there, well. Whoa!
Gotcha.
I gotta be about a rail. Going up. Oh,
Come on.
tag coming. Well, sir, we did see him anyway.
There you go.
Bigger than the one I had. It's just that rig.
There's that thing.
He ain't that big, it's that rig, man.
This thing.
on the bow at the same time. Careful you don't hit. No, you're all right. It's like a big shark. It's a nurse shark, eh? I think it's a giant nurse shark. Well, a man needs a nurse. Have you ever heard that? Look how fat. Look at that fat nurse shark. That's a big one. That one's probably got babies in it. Hello, Tammy. How are you?
I'm well, and yourself?
Chili with garlic toast and rice, right?
Yes, jasmine rice.
Looks very good. I'm
Thank
sure
you.
it'll be delicious. I bet you can't wait, right?
Can't wait.
Well, I won't keep you waiting any longer.
Thank you.
Good job, Tammy, as
Thank you.
always. Let's get a photograph of this, or at least a video. There you go. Good way to end the trip. Well, the trip has pretty much officially come to an end. We got the Johns Pass Bridge in sight. Beautiful out here right now. It's fairly calm because the wind looks like it's pretty much coming out of the west by this time, a little bit. It's calmer now. It's been a pretty rough trip weather-wise. No rain to speak of, just a little bit. But we started out in 5 to 8 foot seas, pretty much stayed in them until about midday Saturday, and then it started laying down. But when I say laying down, it went from 5 to 8 to 3 to 5. So it was pretty choppy, pretty bumpy the whole time. And at night, especially that first night, it was pretty rough going if you weren't right on the stern. If you were anywhere near the bow, you were catching it. Of course, we had a full boat, and quite a few people felt the effects of it. I don't know much about seasickness. I'm blessed that I don't ever get it, but I would recommend that whatever you do for it, you do for it in plenty enough time for it to work, because I noticed people start taking the stuff and doing the various remedies once they get here, and that's probably a bit late. Anyway, the trip overall was pretty solid. The mangoes bit pretty well the first night, and I ended up with close to my limit. They bit off and on during the day as well. Big beeliners bit pretty much the whole time. The AJs, we got some really nice ones. I ended up getting my limit on them. I got 2, one of them probably in about the 40-pound range. I'm kind of giving you a little panoramic view here. Do I have an office, as I say, with a view or not? So I got, hey, how y'all doing?
Good morning.
Y'all enjoy yourselves?
Yes, sir.
You'd recommend a trip to others? All right. And but I don't know exactly how many jacks were caught. Probably about a dozen or so, and they were all really nice ones. I think there were only 2 gags caught. There were several break-offs, I know that. I didn't actually get broken off, but not that I wouldn't have. I did get broken off by something, probably a Goliath, but I ended up with, I didn't get any keeper grouper this trip, except for some strawberries. I did catch a couple strawberry grouper, but beeliners and porgies were doing pretty good. As I say, the mango bite was pretty solid. There were quite a few people who limited out. All right, we're about to head under the bridge here. And as you can see, it is beautiful. It's probably in the high 70s here right now. Well, good morning. Here we have the newly engaged couple. You probably will see that on the video. And one of the best men, Jason, here.
Yeah, I ain't present best man.
All right, so show us the ring one more time here. There you go. They got engaged last night on the bow, and it was my pleasure to film it and witness it. So y'all had a good time, I'm assuming.
Oh, yes.
Had a great time.
Had a great time.
You'd recommend it to others, maybe not the proposal, but maybe so, but certainly the fishing.
Absolutely.
Right?
We'll be back.
But you'd recommend the proposal, wouldn't you? Anyway, enjoy it.
Anything at Hubbard's Marina.
There you go. Enjoyed having you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
How y'all doing today? All right. Some of my good buddies here.
I didn't know you had more than one.
Well, I'm trying to be generous to y'all, so you know you're glad you met me. Good morning, Captain John. Nice job bringing us in, sir.
Big John.
Candyman Craig, right there. That's what I call him. How y'all doing? I think I saw you on the bow.
That was right up again.
Did y'all have a good time?
Mangoes and mangoes. That's about it.
You'd recommend this trip to others?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. There you go.
For the price, you can't beat it.
And this is what you come for, the end result. Some nice fillets to take home. Sorry about that. And here we have the FWC gentleman here doing scientific research.
Without a lamp.
Example of some of the stringers. Got some bar jacks, porgy, beeliner, mangoes. See a porgy in the middle. There's a strawberry over there. And of course, a stack of mangoes. Nice looking stringer, sir. Yeah, I thought he was in for sure. Some of them doctors are pretty cheap.
On the scale.
Smoker King, big Smoker King. Get over there by him, we'll get you a picture.
34 pounder.
34-pound kingfish, beautiful fish. Are y'all the proud parents of the fish? Are y'all the proud parents of the fish?
Yeah. I got
He did a good job. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that officially concludes the trip. But no trip is totally over until you see the beautiful ladies of Hubbard's Marina make it all possible.
On that white ticket, you're going to put it in the middle of the parking ticket